Hey guys, today we're going to be using the spaghetti squash of my dreams. Yes, for the longest time I've been wondering what it tastes like, what the texture is, because it looks like noodles. Like, how can that be? You know, it's a squash, not noodles. But anyway, this video was kind of a fail. It kind of wasn't. I'm going to be giving my honest opinion, reviews from the spaghetti and the John. Yeah. Hey guys, today we're going to be making spaghetti squash spaghetti, and yes, I feel like it's going to be really good and healthy alternative to carbs. That's really hard. Oh my gosh. Be careful, it's really dangerous. You see? Do you like see all the layers? Ooh, beautiful. Okay, we're gonna scoop the inside out now. All that stuff. Just like this. And just do the same with the other side. Okay, we're gonna boil it now. Now that the water is boiling, I'm gonna put in the spaghetti squash. Just put it in. We're gonna boil it for about like 30 minutes. But it really depends on the size of your spaghetti squash. Okay, now we're gonna prep the veggies for the sauce while the spaghetti cooks. The spaghetti. Okay. Yeah, so just cut some mushrooms. You can basically put whatever you like. I'm just gonna put some mushrooms. And dash the mushroom. I like to put a lot of mushrooms because it's gonna like shrink down. And yeah. And next is the onion. I'm gonna use half an onion. You don't have to put this if you don't like it, you know? It's basically all up to your preference. If you like corn, you can put corn. If you like, I don't know, man, bacon, shrimp, you know, just anything. And some Canadian bacon. Okay, this is what I'm gonna put. I also have some broccoli. That's also optional. These are just what I like to put in. It should be like soft enough, but not like completely cooked. It looks like that. And then just tear it. Like you're tearing shredded chicken or something. Do you see that? Do you see that? This is the power of nature. This one, you can use any you like. Make your own. All up to you. to get all the sauce. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Some garlic, some pepper, and salt. Okay, I'm gonna put some leftover capers. Just because why not, you know? I love kebabs. You can either put sugar or whatever sweetener, but I'm gonna put some monk fruit sweetener since this is about health. Let's just put 2. Now we're gonna add the broccoli. Add the broccoli in the very last because it cooks really fast. Just to make it a little more tasty. Just stir fry it for a couple minutes. And this is a completely optional step. Just one slice. Oh yeah! Okay guys, this part was kind of disappointing because it looked really good, it smelled really good, and I was so looking forward to tasting it, but it's super healthy guys, super healthy, great diet food. I'm gonna be honest, it tastes like spaghetti, but the texture is like not spaghetti at all. Yeah. But the texture, it throws you off. It looks like noodles, but it tastes more like more like a vegetable, yeah. Okay guys, I gotta be real with you. It's not good. The sauce is good and everything's good, but the spaghetti squash it's not a noodle, it's a veggie. So I don't really like it, but everyone's taste buds are different, so please don't hate. It tastes like, you know, the radish, the noodle like radish under sushi or sashimi. It tastes like that. That's the texture of it. It's like crunchy, not soft at all, like how a noodle should be. So if you're gonna use it, I would recommend using it for salad or something other than noodles, because it's just the shape of it, not the texture. This is my honest opinion. But the sauce is good, just not this part. See, I ate everything except for that part. So I decided to make something else with the squash because I didn't want to waste it and I was still really hungry. Okay, since that was a fail, I'm gonna make chon, spaghetti squash chon. I'm gonna add 1 egg. I'm gonna put that much. Kind of like a hash brown, kind of. Not really. Mix it. And this kind of consistency. Okay, let's fry it up. So I put some oil on the pan and I grabbed the batter and formed little circles to make the fritter or the chun and cook them on each side for about a minute on medium heat. And after you turn the fritter or the chun over, you want to squish it as flat as you can just like the Korean pancake recipe we made before, if you watched it. Yeah, just try to make it as flat as you can. Looks so good. Looks so good. And just repeat the process until you use all of the batter, and if you need, you can put some more oil. So I know this recipe isn't as healthy or as low in carbs as the spaghetti squash spaghetti, but it's really tasty and a much better way to use the spaghetti squash, in my opinion. It's still kind of healthy and just so much 1,000 times better, in my opinion. Yum! Really hot. So much better. Just so much better. This is how you do it. So much better. This is so much better. Oh my. Guys, make this instead of spaghetti or whatever. It's still good. It's just not my favorite. You guys might like it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope you liked it. Hopefully you guys don't have to go through the disappointment I did while struggling to make this video. No, I didn't. But thank you guys so much. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, turn on your notification bell, and like this video. Bye. Happy holidays, stay healthy, and bye.